Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sadiafrin Nova from Group B4 and this is my weekly journal. Earlier I worked on Proteus part and did the distance measurement using Arduino 1.8.4 on Proteus 8.8. I did that part with my subgroup partner. There was some mistake, we fixed those in this week. And this week our major task is to do the software requirement specification and add that part in our report. I did the introduction, overview, goals and users of software requirement specification. This is all about my weekly journal. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Imdadul Haq and this is my weekly journal. In this week, I made a measurement device prototype, and as you can see here, it is successfully taking the reading from the sonar sensor. And if you look at the monitor, you will see the measurement is given in centimeter and also in inch. I am also working on the SRS or software requirement specification part of our project, and more specifically I am working on the use case part of our project, and the rest of the members of my team are also working on their specific given part of the SRS as well. And that is all for my weekly journal. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ruhina Akhtar and I am from Group B4. This is week 8. In this week, we had a meeting with our mentor Muhammad Mamunilai sir, and he suggested us to work on Proteus and show the distance measurement using ultrasonic sensor. For this, our first task is to do distance measurement using ultrasonic sensor. I download and install the Proteus software and Arduino library 2 weeks ago. In Proteus, to click P option, I can add some components. Here are the components: Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, LCD display. The LCD display is used as a output where the distance is shown here. Simulate the code in Arduino and upload the hex code to the microcontroller. In our meeting with the researcher, we know that in our project we are using AWD method. AWD means alternate wetting and drying. AWD tool is a single device has been designed to observe water level in rice field for deciding the time of irrigation. Some papers, those already successfully work with AWD, such as Economics of AWD, Method of Irrigation, Refinement of Alternate Wetting and Drying Irrigation, Method for Rice Cultivation, Promoting alternate wetting and drying method in selected location at Shatar Upazila of Kushtia. This is my weekly progress video. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Nabil Ahmed Haq from Group B4. I'm working on a smart irrigation system for Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. Last week I worked on solving problem in communication module. I found that one of the module was not working properly. By changing the module, it transfers signals between two modules. I also made a prototype using both sonar sensor and RF module to show the accuracy data drop between two devices. This week I also worked on report writing. I worked on requirement list. I searched for devices and modules that can be used for the project. I also find out the pros and cons of each devices. From the pros and cons, I found out the best possible devices and module for the project. Thank you. This was my weekly journal.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraful Alam. Our group number is B4. This is week 9. This is my weekly journal video. In this week, our main task is to update our report. Our teacher suggests us to add SRS part in our report. For that, I work on the SRS some specific part. I cover overview, purpose, scope, goal of our project, overall description, and users. I also work on the measurement part of our project. Our project name is Smart Irrigation Control System for BD. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Asiful Hassan from Group B4. This is my weekly journal. I am working on a project which is a smart irrigation control system for Bangladesh Rice Research Institute. Last week I worked on communication module to solve problem, but we had a defected module. That's why the communication was not working. After changing it, signals were transmitted and received properly. We also made a prototype using sonar sensor and RF module to check that both devices were working together. This is my weekly journal. Thank you, everyone.